welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, the tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Welcome back. All right, give it a stretch. Okay. All right. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Let me get that stopped. Welcome back. All right. So hopefully that last work session was a productive one for you. I actually got the email done, so I got the reply back. So I'm terrible at writing emails because I'm like I want to like make sure like my complete thoughts are in this thing. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not like I'm talking to the person. Is so when was the question that I try to make sure everything is there in my reply, so there's no ambiguity. You know what I'm saying? So like I was attaching attaching an attachment like a document. It had like all these like prices and everything on there and stuff, and just talking through scenarios and things. So yeah, I think so. We'll see what happens when it comes back. But yeah, cool. So I got that done. So I wanted to make sure to get that done in the last work session so I can go ahead and get this other stuff going. So pretty dope. Also, I forgot to mention in the first session. So part of the stuff I'm going to be working on, like a couple of projects, I thought this idea would be kind of cool to add some motion to the whole thing. And so as a kid, I remember these little wind up toys. And I looked around and I found like the base of them, and I'll be able to make things on top of it. And so this is kind of like what it looks like underneath the toy or whatever. And yeah, and so you just kind of like, if you've never seen it before, you just like wind it up. You can hear the noise. Nice. And then when you let it go, like it walks, which is kind of cool. So I have a couple of samples I want to make of that to show some folks, and should be pretty cool. So yeah, kind of cool. All right, but yeah, speaking of cool, I want to talk about this thing that I just came across on the internet. Let's see, hold on, get this going. Again, this is the new setup, so I'm trying to figure out where stuff is. I'm going to paste a link to the article so you can check it out for yourself, and it'll be next to the recording on the website untilit.works. All right, so let me share this. Share this one here. Cool. So we're going to talk about enter picture in picture automatically when playing media. Now, when we spoke about this before, and you'd have to like click a button to enter into the picture in picture. So going back even further, the picture in picture mode, I don't know if you've seen it on different websites, or I noticed in some meetings, some video meetings, if you're watching a video or if you're in a meeting or whatever, right? And the video's playing, if you click to another tab, if you allow it, like that video or that you're watching or the video call will become smaller and go into the corner. I'm not sure if you can decide which corner, but it goes into a corner. And so as you're going through other tabs, you can still watch the video or still be in the meeting and seeing people and stuff. So now it looks like you can do it automatically when the media is playing, which is pretty cool. And so you may not. We'll see what it says. So from Chrome 120. So you mentioned video. Oh, by the way, shout out to Francois Balfour. This came out February 5th. Okay, now from Chrome 120, I think they're on like 135 right now. Video conferencing web apps can automatically open a picture-in-picture window when the user switches focus from their current tab. Basically what I just said. This is useful for presenters who want to see and interact with participants in real time while presenting a document or using other tabs or windows. So that's really good. So I do a bunch of like presentations and workshops and stuff. So that's really cool to do that. Now, see automatic picture-in-picture for video conferencing web apps for details. Okay, so that's a totally wait. This is media playback. Okay, but this is just automatic picture in picture. Okay, we might take a look at that as well. Okay. So now so the basic was there. Okay, cool. But now in Chrome 134, web apps that play audio or video can automatically enter picture in picture mode. Okay, so before it was for video conferencing, but now it's for like videos. Okay, that's cool. Audio and video can automatically enter picture in picture mode. Oh, that's pretty cool. Because like for example, for this website, let's say you have the audio player and you listen to music and you wanted to, but the thing is, even if music was playing, well, that because there's nothing visual because music is always going to play. But for I think more for video, you have the video player and you can kind of keep watching that as you're going through tabs. Okay, that's cool. I was thinking like it'd be cool for the audio player for this site, but like the audio plays regardless if you're on that tab or not. So, all right, cool. But yeah, I think this would be super useful for video. So that means that the music. Oh, okay, yeah, the music player. So if you wanted to skip through stuff, okay, that makes sense. So yeah, so like the audio player. Okay, that makes sense. If you want to like skip the track or something. Okay, yeah, no, that makes sense. Yeah, so here we go. That means that music and video players on the web can now seamlessly switch to a mini player window when the user switches tabs, eliminating the need for manual activation. Yeah, because again, before you'd have to click to say, hey, I want a smaller window. Okay, that's pretty dope. That might actually help out with a project I'm looking to do. And so that'd be cool because now the project you have to like click to say you want it in like pop up window, but to do that automatically that'd be pretty dope. I wonder if it asks permission. I'm not sure. We'll see. That's hopefully they'll say that in the article. These are all those random things I always think about as I'm reading stuff. But here's a demo. All right, check this out. All right, so we're like in a Spotify. So it's Spotify, right? Okay, cool. And this is Christmas songs by Sinatra. Okay, all right. So here we go. So they go to another tab and then it pops up. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then the plus, I'm not sure what the plus did. Oh, maybe that's a thing. Oh, okay, yeah, that's a thing in Spotify. So I guess you like that track or something. And then it pops up. Oh, it's just replaying. Okay. And then it has the controls. And then I guess that's you. I don't have Spotify, but I guess that means you can like it. That's pretty dope. Okay, cool. All right, looks pretty cool. All right. So now note, this feature is being gradually introduced in Chrome 134 and later versions. To enable and test this feature immediately, enable the auto picture in picture for video playback. Okay, so yeah, so I guess they count video and audio the same with this flag here. Okay, cool. Now, to support these media playback use cases from Chrome 134 desktop, web apps can automatically enter picture in picture with a few restrictions to ensure a positive user experience. Exactly, because I'm wondering if they have to say you get permission. Let's see. A web app is only eligible for automatic picture in picture for media playback if it meets all of the following conditions. Okay. The top frame URL is safe according to the safe browsing service. I wonder if you know how you know that. Okay. The media lives in the top frame. Okay, so I guess if you have frames on your site or whatever, I don't normally do frames really. The media has been audible for the last 2 seconds. Okay, so it would have to, okay, all right. The media has audio focus. Not sure what that means. Okay, and the media is playing. All right, okay, that makes sense. A media session action handler for the enter picture in picture action has been registered. Okay, I'm gonna have to look into that. And then the user's media engagement index threshold has been exceeded, indicating that the user frequently consumes media in this web app. Okay. This applies if the user's browser setting is can ask to enter picture in picture. Okay. If the user explicitly allows the web app to enter picture in picture, this condition does not apply. Okay. Okay. So, Oh, see, I haven't seen this automatic picture in picture. I've never seen that before. Okay, maybe my version doesn't do that yet. Okay, that's cool. And what just happened? My computer went into this weird, like showing like a dot around the. I think when I shake it, I get so you can kind of find the mouse. It like freezes everything and puts like a blue dot around it, pulsating dot. Okay, so the bug that number tracks the implementation of surfacing conditions to make debugging and implementation easier. Okay, so yeah, so there is like a pop up. So once enter picture in picture automatically, so you can use it on top of other tabs. Okay, so there is a permission dialog. Cool, and then you can you can either use the picture in picture for video, all right, or the document picture in picture, which is like for everything. Yeah, arbitrary HTML content. All right, because the video one that came first, the video one, so you can pop up a video easily because it's like a video tag. Whereas the other one, you can have like a full player and like different elements and buttons and all that stuff in. So that's the one I was like looking towards. Okay, cool. And they have an example. That's pretty dope. So the video joint. And so here is the request video to automatically enter when eligible. Okay, so here's the enter picture in picture uh, action. All right, the trigger or whatever. Okay. And you can say if it's not supported yet. That's pretty cool. And then there's the video.js player demo, which showcases the document picture in picture or play the video media session. Okay, so that's cool. All right, so let's take a look at this demo then real quick. Let's see. It's a glitch. All right. So let me share this tab instead. All right, so here we are. So this is the thing. So if I click play, I think I might have shown this previously, but let's take a look at it now. Sure. Which is what we had before. But now I'm wondering if I go away
What
from the
brings you to the
tab.
land of the gatekeepers?
Yeah, no, see, it didn't do it. And it didn't ask me for anything. Interesting. So it didn't, when I navigated to another tab, it didn't pop up. All right. Something I got to play around with more, but it seems pretty cool. All right. Now, that other one that they were talking about before for video apps, which is video conferencing app, which is what I'm really interested in. Let me, I'm going to post a link to that, to this blog article we're going to take a look at real quick. Share this tab instead. All right. So, yeah. So, automatic picture in picture for video conferencing web apps. Now, this is what that project I'm working on is basically like a video conferencing app, and I wanted to be able to do this. So, that's pretty cool. All right. Now, when did this come out? It doesn't tell me. All right. Before it had the thing on there. So maybe it was like older. When did this come out? Oh yeah, no, yeah. 11/16/2023. Okay, so yeah, okay. That's cool. That's why it's good to have like links to previous ones because I've never seen this one. It's pretty dope. So now okay. So you can see, all right. So here's the the conferencing app, and then goes to the next tab and it shows up. That's pretty dope. Okay. That's cool. And so here's enter picture in picture automatically. Oh, so I guess you could have done that from before. That's interesting. So I gotta go back and look because I've had this thing for a minute. So I can go back and try, see if I can implement this. Okay. And then here's some code. Okay. Oh, okay. You could do it from the media control thing too here. Okay, that's pretty cool. I've never really used that before. Oh, that's dope. All right. Cool. Yeah, no, that's pretty awesome. All right. Cool. So yeah, so has anybody tried that out? Let me know. But for right now, I'm gonna get y'all back to work. Thanks for hanging out. Let me stop the screen share here. So yeah, so if you ever tried it, let me know. Like I said, I have a project that I want to like launch this year, hopefully, and get it going because I think it could be pretty cool. And but yeah, so hopefully, have you tried it? Let me know your thoughts, how did it work out for you. But for right now, we'll get y'all back to work. Thanks for hanging out. I'm gonna send y'all off with some traveling music. When we come back, we'll take a look at an artist's website, listen to some music, watch some videos. Maybe you'll become a fan. And yeah, thanks for hanging out. I'm gonna send y'all off. This is Anthony Cruz, aka A Butter. The track's called "Thank You." Thanks for hanging out. So until next time, I wish you much productivity. All right, y'all be easy. Peace.
I wanna say thank you for holding on. When a brother was down and out, now I feel so strong. And I wanna say thank you for being there. When a brother had nowhere to turn to, you were there. And I feel like, yeah. And everybody said, yeah. We spread a love like, yeah. I wanna say thank you for holding on. When a brother was down and out, now I feel so strong. And I wanna say thank you for being